So you're thinking of getting your car dry ice blasted and you're wondering what to expect when you do. So let me walk you through what happens when you dry ice blast your car with us. Now, there are of course lots of reasons why you might want to get your car ice blasted. It might be that you have a classic car or an appreciating vehicle and you want to preserve that for many years to come. Or perhaps you've looked underneath your vehicle recently and you thought, it's a little bit too much rust for my liking and I want to tackle that before it becomes a costly repair. Or perhaps you're undergoing a restoration and you've realised ice blasting is the best way to reveal the true condition of that vehicle because it clears away all that dirt and grime that usually hides problem areas. No matter what vehicle you have or your reason for ice blasting, we of course have a thorough process in place because this isn't just a quick clean, this is about deep treatment to ensure long-term preservation and protection of your car. When your car arrives, we prepare it by removing under trays, wheel arch liners, wheels and any other covers that are hiding components that need cleaning. And often, this is where we find lots of dirt and debris built up, and it's this stuff that will eventually rot your car away. The next thing we'll do is inspect all of those areas that are going to be ice blasted, and we'll capture photos and videos as part of our initial health check. And then we'll compile all this into our treatment plan, and you'll receive that when you collect your car so it can be kept of its history. Now it's time for blasting, and it's really easy to think that we just point and shoot, but that's really not the case because there are lots of delicate areas like fuel lines and brake pipes that need varied pressure levels and varied ice distribution to ensure that it's a thorough clean, but of course without damage. So you'll see us using lots of different nozzles and lots of different tools to reach all those tricky spots, spending anywhere from 2 to 3 hours on an engine bay to 8 to 12 hours on an underbody, getting it to a deep clean level where it looks like it's just rolled off that factory floor. Once the cleaning is done, depending on your treatment, this is when we're going to apply any preservative treatment. So this could be rust treatments to neutralize any deep set corrosion. It could be cavity wax injections or protective coatings like Lanagard to shield your vehicle from the elements. Your car will then be stored with us for at least 24 hours to let those treatments fully cure, giving the vehicle the best possible protection before it's back on the road. Finally, you'll receive an updated treatment plan with before and after photos, the videos, and of course a final review of the vehicle once the treatment is complete. Don't wait until it's too late. Get booked in with us, let us take care of your car, let's keep it healthy, let's preserve its value, and let's protect it for all of those years to come.